Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be making cactuses made out of rocks. Alright, here's what you'll need. River rocks, granite rocks, acrylic paint, white, green, and yellow, 2-inch flower pots, a dried up flower, super glue, and some brushes. Let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my green paint and pour it into this cardboard I had. You can also use a plate. I'm gonna pour my white paint and mix it with my green paint. If I just use the green paint alone, it won't show up on the rock. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my rock and start painting. You can also use a sponge or a larger brush. It's up to you. Next, I'm going to pour my yellow paint and mix it into the green I had. I want to create a lime green color and add some variety to our cacti or cactuses. Next, I will grab my rock and start painting. Make sure you really get in there with the paint. So as you can tell, I have a lot of paint on my hands already. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a small brush, dip it in my white paint, and create the spikes on the cactus. You can just put lines going up. You can also do dots. I like to do them with the back of my brush. I just dip the back of the brush onto the paint and on the rock. Or you could do little stars. They will all look like spikes. Next, you're gonna fill your pot halfway with rocks. Put in your cactus and put rocks around it so it doesn't fall down. Next, with the small brush, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the sides of the rock with a lighter green to give it a 3D effect. Next, I'm gonna grab my flower and put glue right behind it and glue it to my cactus. And there you go. That's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you on the next video.